Oh, brother. That's some stupid shit. Bro, what is...
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Why do he have like a back door, dark web type shit?
To an invention convention all weekend.
You're right. Grandpa Lou is coming over.
Lord, invention convention. That's a good woman right there.
Dill!
Maybe I told one person.
So, when are we watching this alien get ripped apart?
Oh, brother.
Okay, fine. So it's just me, Dill, Phil and Lil.
Hey, guys!
Oh, let's see. 9-1, what was that last number again?
And Tommy, I'm counting on you to keep...
You're in a dickhead.
I feel like a king.
Just let the cares of the world slip away.
Oh, brother.
Slip away, slip away.
Slip away.
What if he died that day, you know?
Bye, chicks!
What are you doing here?
Yeah, what's he doing here?
Damn, he woke up instantly.
We only have the tape until 10 o'clock.
What? When were you going to tell me that?
At the last possible moment.
Why?
See? He knows who's better at taking care of kids.
What did you say, Schmendrick?
Oh, brother.
Delicious, nutritious beets and cabbage? Or a stinky old haggis?
Maybe a little of both?
Beets and cabbage. Bro, hell no.
But,
Look who's joining us!
Nigga.
See.
Yo, no offense to you, but just keep that in the kitchen.
Just eat it up so we can get to the deal.
Nigga. Nah, hell nah. He can go to hell with that.
This haggis is incredible. Think you could make more?
Of course, his foodie ass would like it.
Watch it. Give me the highlights tomorrow.
okay, you're gonna let them...
Lord. Oh, brother.
It's a talent passed down from generations of pickles, going back to the...
Phil just enjoying himself, bro.
What are you gonna do? We only have this tape till 10.
What?
You're kidding, right?
Ah, of course.
Nah. There we go. There we go.
You're verklumpnished.
Oh, let's just forget it, Dill. They're never going to fall asleep.
What the fuck wrong with his face?
Yeah, looks like a stress rash to me.
Is that like psoriasis? No, this is psoriasis.
Oh my god.
They both like to play poker, right? If we can get them to play, they'll be distracted for hours and we can sneak everyone downstairs.
I'm guessing he having an allergic reaction.
You're supposed to rest, Philip. What can I say? I'm hot.
Okay, 7-card stud high-low.
This nigga, bro.
It's the two bad boys of poker.
You ready to get spanked?
Like to see you try.
Oh, he said, I like to see you try. I thought he said, like a pussy can try. I was like, oh.
We never get away from them.
If I could just take a moment to say a few words about the alien...
Nigga, just put it in.
For the advancement of science and thousands of dollars in mail-order video sales. Mr. Alien...
No, just no.
Okay, who needs popcorn or barf bags?
I'll take some of each.
Quiet! It's the...
They finna get scammed.
Just ignore them.
Nigga, I wanted to...
I'm going in!
Shit. Damn, that's a big ass dream. It's fucking up his ex.
Why me?
Because you're so good with crowds.
Oh, thanks. Wait, I'm not good with crowds.
See. Why they could have let Lil out there. Nigga.
It's over.
What are you saying? We came here for nothing? We ate haggis for nothing?
Hell yeah.
You mean you stole it? Well, you're like a criminal.
Oh, brother.
Bad choice of words.
Damn, it's a family squabble.
Parang sen ha, aber mit sehr natural. Ich will dir geben a common line.
Stole they whole flow.
Awesome!
You just that nigga.
I'm making an incision in the lower. Stop. No. We can see that
She was the main one.
Sploink is clearly shaped like a ripe banana.
Oh, brother.
So to speak. That was so cool! Awesome! Unbelievable!
Damn, bitch.
Oh, why me?
I always beat up the older brother. It's a rule.
See?
Very moral.
Take your hands off my grandson!
You heard the
How the hell did he know? He's the one that, this is not it.
Are you kidding me?
It's a list. It's a list. A list. Their names on the list.
Guess we'll never know if it was a real alien autopsy tape.
When I was in the Army, I was stationed at Area 51.
Oh, I knew it.
Stories about aliens?
I knew it. I knew it. Okay, 2 more episodes. And then we're finished with the series.